Hi guys, today we will learn how to submit patch request with the JSON body. Patch request partially modifies the source. If we want to update just some fields in the booking, we can use patch instead of put. And in the body, we submit just fields that needs to be updated. We will be automating partial update booking request. It will be similar to put request. It also requires authorization and booking ID in the URL, but the body will be different. And today I want you guys to try doing it yourself first. Here's what you need to do. First, create new test class called partial update booking tests. Then inside of this test class, create test method, call it partial update booking test. In the request body, send just first name and check-in date. Make sure to use patch method to send body. And for the verifications, verify correct new first name and check-in date in the response. And same as we did with update booking test, instead of updating some default booking, first step, create new booking and then use booking ID from that booking to partially update it, just like we did for update booking test. Now pause this lecture and work on your test. When you finished, just continue the lecture and I will show you how I did it. So, were you able to create this new test class and new test? Did it work? Now let me show you how I will do it. So let's use this update booking test and update booking tests class instead of completely creating new class, because we already have this method here that creates booking for us, part of the JSON body, well, a lot of stuff that we can reuse from this class. So I'll just copy this class, paste it in the same package, but rename to partial update booking test. Okay, let's open it and let's rename test method partial update booking test. So this part we will leave the same. So we will start with creating new booking ID, so we know for sure that this ID exists, and then we will partially update this booking ID. So let's change just first name and check-in date. So I will remove visual glitch. I will remove this part, so just body put first name Olga. I will update first name to Olga and just update the check-in date. So check-in date, let's actually go here to create booking, so 20/03/25. So let's change that to 04, so it's different. So the new name gonna be Olga and the new check-in, well, we cannot update just check-in date to April when the checkout date is in March. So let's actually update both of the dates, check-in and checkout, to April, like this. And now partial update booking. So we have new body that will consist only with first name and booking dates. Now rest assured, given this method also requires authentication, so we will leave this here, out primitive basic admin password. But here instead of put, we will use patch method and our booking ID. And that's it. Now let's work on verifications. So first name Olga, last name Shishkin, correct. Then total price in response 125, let's see what it should be. So let's go to this create booking. Okay, 150 should be the price. Deposit should be false. So let's change our expected. Total price 150 and deposit should be false. So assert false. Deposit should be false. We change the dates. So it's April and baby crib, I believe. Baby crib, yes, baby crib is correct. So now we changed our verifications. I hope I didn't miss anything. So let's right click, run as, test and retest. Okay, test failed, so I guess I missed something. Check-in in response is not expected. Checkout in response is not expected. 2020 04 25, 2020 04 27, 2020 04 25, 2020 04 27. Oh yeah. Okay, anyone know what I missed and why my test didn't work? If you don't, and if you did exactly like me, let's make this exercise for you. Try to figure out why test failed. As you see, we put new dates in our body, but they were not updated. And if we go to console and see our output, the dates are still old one, not the new one. Okay, I hope you guys all know what the problem is. And the problem is I created this booking date JSON object, but I removed extra stuff. I did not put this JSON object booking dates into my body. So booking dates, yeah, I removed this line, but I should not have removed it. So booking dates, because before that body only contained the first name change, but not the dates. Now we are putting these dates into our body, and now test should work. So let's run it one more time. And now this test passed. Okay, well, as I like to say, never trust the test that never failed. So not intentionally, but test failed. Now we are 100% sure that this test works correctly. Okay, that's it for this lecture.